Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today we are here to continue the study of chapter 11 SST. Last day we were studying about chapter 11 and today we will continue the remaining topic of this chapter. We have to start from protecting forests. Last day we have studied what is the importance of forest and how it's valuable for us, and today we will study how to protect them. Cutting down trees for wood and clearing forests for cultivation and housing have greatly reduced our forest area. We cut the forest for different needs, and due to that the forest area is reduced. The loss of forest is called the deforestation. Loss of forest or cutting down of trees on large scale is called the deforestation. Deforestation. Loss of forest is called the deforestation. And due to deforestation, several wild species are lost. It can be checked by planting a large number of trees, by cutting trees selectively, by preventing overgrazing, etc. The Forest Research Institute, FRI, Forest Research Institute, FRI has been set up in Dehradun. Where it has been set up? Dehradun. It has been set up in Dehradun. For what purpose this has been set up? In order to manage and protect forests in India. In order to manage and protect forests in India. And we celebrate Van Mahotsav for a week. We celebrate Van Mahotsav for a week. In the month of July we celebrate, no? In order to encourage people to plant trees. Clear? I hope all of you have understood how to protect the forest and what's the need of doing that. Now we will study about our wildlife. The name of the chapter was Forests and Wildlife. About forest we have studied. Now we will study about the wildlife. Wildlife refers to various kinds of animals which live in natural habitats. Wildlife refers to various kinds of animals which live in their natural habitat. Animals which live in natural habitat. Animals which live in natural habitat. Animals which live in natural habitat. Indian forests are home to a variety of wildlife. The tiger, India's national animal, is found in many parts of the country. And Sundarbans, about Sundarbans we studied last day, no? Where the Sundar trees are grown, are the home of the majestic Bengal tiger. The common leopard found in forests all over the India. The Asiatic lion is found mainly in the Gir Forest National Park in Gujarat. For what this Gir Forest National Park is famous for? Tell. Asiatic lion. Now, elephants are common in the forests of Orissa, Kerala, Assam and West Bengal. The red panda, snow leopard and ibex are found in Himalayan forests. And the wild yak is found in the Ladakh region. Where the wild yak is found? In the Ladakh region. Other animals found in various parts of country are monkeys, wolves, deer, antelopes, nilgai. What is meaning of nilgai? Blue bull. Okay, that's called the nilgai. Jackals, hyenas and black bucks. These are some wild animals which are found in different parts of our country. More than 1,000 varieties of birds are found in India. These include peacocks, parrots, kingfishers, storks, hawks, owls and many others. Greater flamingo, rosy pelican, common tail and Siberian crane are among those birds which migrate from cold countries during winter to India. Several birds migrate to India and migrate to India in order to escape from the winter. And from where they migrate? From the cold countries. From the cold countries, they migrate to India. Okay. Then, India also has a variety of reptiles such as snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles and gharials. These are the wild life which are found in India. Now we will study how to protect this wildlife. We have studied about protecting the forest. Then we studied about our wildlife. Now let's study how to protect this wildlife or protecting wildlife. Protecting wildlife. Protecting wildlife. How to protect this wildlife? Animals and birds are part of the country's natural wealth. Unfortunately, due to hunting and deforestation, most of the wildlife are decreasing in number. Why they are decreasing in number? Major reason is hunting and deforestation. Due to hunting and deforestation, number of wildlife is decreasing in the country. And many of them are facing extinction. And due to that, what happened? Animals become extinct. What is meaning of animals becoming extinct? They are found no more. To protect wildlife, many national parks. What steps are taken by government? Many national parks. Then wildlife sanctuaries. And bird sanctuaries have been. And birds are, this is not for you to write, my dear students. Please understand it. Bird sanctuaries have been built all over the India, set up all over in India. These parks and sanctuaries protect the animals in their natural environment, in which they can grow very well. Clear? To promote wildlife awareness among the people, the Indian government has started various natural projects and programs such as Project Tiger, Project Elephant, then Project river Ganga dolphin in order to save the dolphin. Then biosphere reserves, natural camps and jungle lodges. These projects help to preserve our natural heritage. In spite of conservation efforts, the future of wildlife remains uncertain. They are not certain, they remain uncertain. The human population continues to grow. And this growing population does the various devastating actions which result in the hunting of the animals and deforestation. Forests and grasslands are still being destroyed. People continue to hunt illegally elephants, tigers, snow leopards and other endangered animals in order to fulfill their economic needs. The Wildlife Institute at Dehradun gives training to people in order to protect and manage wildlife. We observe the first week of October as Wildlife Week every year. When is Wildlife Week celebrated? If anyone asks you when the Wildlife Week is celebrated, what will you give the answer? First week of October. Now in past, no? First week of October. Okay, first week of October is celebrated as Wildlife Week. In order to every year it's celebrated in order to preserve the wildlife. Clear? Yes. Now this chapter is over. I think all of you have understood well. Now take pencil in your hand and open your book. Worksheet 11 we are going to do now. And after completing that, I will send the PDF also. But you have to do in the class, then you can match with the PDF. Question answer will be there in the PDF. From there you can copy. But all one-word answers which we need to do in the book, we will discuss here also. And in PDF also it will be there. First exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Forests are important natural dash of a country. Forests are important natural dash of a country. So what will be the answer? Resources. Natural resources of our country. This is the answer for the first question. Second one is deciduous forests are also called dash forests. What these deciduous forests are called? They are called monsoon forests. Monsoon forests. Deciduous forests are also called monsoon forests. For third one, trees and plants of dash forests have sharp thorns and small leaves. So what will be the answer? Thorny. Thorny. Now for the question. The Wildlife Institute in India is set up at dash. Now only I told you Dehradun. Now the fifth one is India is home to more than a dash varieties of birds. Thousand varieties of birds. 1,000 varieties of birds. I will read the answer one more time, and by the time you have to match it. First one resources, second one monsoon, third one thorny, fourth one Dehradun, fifth one 1,000. You can pause the video and write it, or you can take this screenshot on the phone and write. This exercise you have to do in the book. Okay, no need to do this exercise in the notebook. Now second exercise, take the right answer. Evergreen forests remain green throughout the year because we have three options here. Their leaves do not change color. They are dense forests. The trees do not shed all their leaves at the same time. So what will be the correct answer here? The second option is correct. Shed their leaves seasonally. Their leaves seasonally. Seasonally. According to season, they shed their leaves. Now, question number 3. The majestic Bengal tiger is found in the dash. 3 options are given: forests of Bengal, Sundarbans and Himalayas. And here again, second option is correct. Sundarbans. In Sundarbans, they are found. Now, question number 4. National parks provide wild animals and birds. Dash. We have 3 options: plenty of food but no freedom, natural environment to live and grow, security from attack of other animals. So here again second option is correct. Natural environment to live and grow. Natural environment. Natural environment to live and grow. To live and grow. Natural environment to live and grow. Now the fifth question, the last one. Let's see the last question of this exercise. The Wildlife Institute at Dehradun protects wild animals and birds, gives training to people to manage wildlife, serve as a zoo to visitors. What does it do? Again, second option is correct. Gives training. Gives training. Gives training to people. Gives training to people. To people to manage. To manage wildlife. To manage wildlife. To manage wildlife. This is the correct answer. I will read the answer one more time, and by the time you have to finish writing. First one, the trees do not shed their leaves at the same time. Second one, shed their leaves seasonally. Third one, Sundarbans. Fourth one, natural environment to live and grow. Fifth one, gives training to people to manage wildlife. So, this is the answer. Just you have to put a tick mark. I hope all of you have done it. Take your time and do it. Now we will do the third exercise. Set G for true and F for false. That we will do. First one, forest stop the moisture-laden winds and cause rains. This is true, and for true we write T. Second one is coniferous forests are often found on hills and mountains. This is also true, and for true what we need to write? T. Now the third one is cutting down trees for wood is harmful for the environment. This is also true. So what we have to write again? T. Now question number 4. The red panda and snow leopard are found in the Himalayan forest. This is also true, and for true what we need to write? T. Now the fifth one. The Siberian crane migrates to India from cold countries in summer. This is false. It migrates to India but not during the summer, during the winter. So, I will read the answer one more time. By the time you match it and do it properly in the book. First one, true. Second one, true. third one true, fourth one true, and fifth one false. Okay. I hope all of you have done it in the book. Now exercise 3, answer the following. 6 questions are there. All that questions you have to do in the book itself. And exercise 3, answer the following. 6 questions are there. I will send the PDF that you have to do in the notebook, fair copy. Okay. For today this much is enough. Tomorrow we will meet with the next chapter. Thank you class.